Rejection is redirection. Why no doesn't mean never. You worked hard, you gave it your all, and still they said no. That job, that opportunity, that dream slipped right through your fingers. Feels like a dead end, right? But what if I told you it's not? What if no isn't the end, but just a push in a better direction? We grow up thinking rejection is a failure, that if we don't get something, we weren't good enough. But that's a lie. Rejection isn't a stop sign, it's a detour. Sometimes the best one you'll ever take. Think about the last time you were rejected. Maybe it was a job, a relationship, or an opportunity you really wanted. In that moment, it felt like a punch to the gut, right? But have you ever looked back at a rejection and thought, thank God that didn't work out? Because here's the thing. Rejection isn't about stopping you. It's about guiding you. It's life's way of saying, not this way. There's something better for you. Imagine if these people had given up. Walt Disney, told he lacked imagination. Now millions of people live in the worlds he created. Elon Musk, rejected by Netscape, failed multiple times, and now he's redefining the future. Colonel Sanders, his chicken recipe was rejected over 1,000 times. Today, KFC is in over 150 countries. They all heard no, but no didn't mean never. It meant not yet. Now, let me ask you, how many times have you given up after one no? What if you just needed to hear one more? Rejection is like a GPS rerouting you to a better path. Sometimes it saves you from a road that was never meant for you. Sometimes it forces you to grow into the person who is actually ready for success. And sometimes it redirects you to something far greater than you ever imagined. The problem isn't rejection. The problem is how we react to it. We take no as a personal failure instead of seeing it as part of the journey. How to handle rejection and keep going. 1. Shift your mindset. Instead of asking, why me, ask, what's next? Understand that rejection doesn't define your worth. It simply means that this particular opportunity wasn't meant for you, at least not right now. 2. Keep knocking on doors. Rejection is part of the process. Every no brings you closer to the right yes. Even the most successful people have faced failure countless times. The difference? They kept going. If one door closes, knock on another. If no one answers, build your own door. 3. Trust the timing. Sometimes the best things happen not when you want them to, but when you're actually ready for them. Maybe you weren't prepared for the opportunity you wanted, and life is giving you time to grow. Trust that when the time is right, the right opportunity will find you. 4. Learn from rejection. Instead of seeing rejection as failure, view it as feedback. Ask yourself, what can I improve? What did this teach me? Every rejection carries a lesson, whether it's refining your skills, improving your approach, or simply realizing that you were aiming for something too small when something bigger awaits. 5. Stay persistent and resilient. Rejection stings, but it's temporary. What matters is what you do next. The people who succeed are not the ones who never fail, but the ones who refuse to quit. Keep showing up, keep pushing forward, and one day you'll look back and realize that every rejection was leading you exactly where you were meant to be. Rejection isn't the end of the road. It's a sign that the path you're meant to walk is still ahead. Every great success story has moments of rejection. What makes the difference is persistence. If you're facing rejection right now, remember this. A no today might just be leading you to a much bigger yes tomorrow. Don't stop. Don't settle. Keep going, because your redirection might just be the best thing that ever happened to you. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, fuel your light, reach new heights.